So here I have completed embellishing the middle beads here. Now the next step is to fill the sides. Now pass into the bead on the side. Pick up your first chip, pass to the next. Now pick up, alternate with a size 2, pass to the next. Next up, go ahead, pick a new chip and pass to the next. Pick up a new size 2. Continue, go on picking up your chip, alternating with the size 2 till you complete this length. So here I've completed this one-sided embellishment. For the next part, for the next side, I'm gonna fill it in only with my size 2 seed. Pass into the sizes and the middle at the end there. Pass to this bead on the side, and now throughout fill in the spaces with size 2. So here we have completed this length. We want to add the 24mm gold round, and to make a 1 needle right angle weave, we'll pick 3 size 6, and we have it here. Now pass back into the size 6, the size 8, the middle. We've done the first one. Want to complete these two, pass into the side size 6 that you just picked, and pass to the next middle size 6. Now go on, pick up 3 pieces of size 6 again for your next 1 needle right angle weave, and you have it here. Now pass back into the middle size 6 there and put your thread. That's how it's gonna lie down. I'm gonna place it there. Now pick up about 9 pieces of gold seeds. Pick up 9 pieces of size 1 champagne gold. For my stash, I saw a size 3 champagne gold, and on the other side pick up 1 size 3. Also pick your 9 pieces on this other end. Pass it into, cross it with this middle bead that my thread exited. Also pick a new 9, pass into this and exiting through the hole. So this is where I am now. I have added this one, pass back into the middle size 6 style, pass to the size 6 at the side. Now go ahead, pass into this middle size 8, and next pick up your usual pieces of 9. So here I have repeated the step I did here for this other side, and if your thread is short, if you notice here I cut off a new thread, tied it here neatly. I will snip this soon, then pass through those beads to this part till I did this. Then the remaining thread, pass it through the side, and this is where the thread is exiting. Go ahead, pick the other piece and do the exact same thing.